This is a Hiragana chart. The vertical rows are vowels a, I, U, E, O, and horizontal rows are consonants K, S, T, N, H, M, Y, R. This chart is written vertically. When Japanese is written vertically, we read from top to bottom and right to left. When Japanese is written horizontally, we read from left to right like English. Today, let's learn how to write the vowel A in the top right corner of the chart. Just like the alphabet has a stroke order, Hiragana also has one. Are you ready to practice Hiragana in your notebook? When you first practice Hiragana, I recommend you use 4 lines. Sometimes I see beginners practicing writing letters in one row of the notebook. Such learners usually cannot write correct Hiragana. So, let's make some guidelines first. Use a thick pen and draw a line vertically using 4 lines. Then, draw a horizontal line of the same length to make a square like this. Next, divide the square into 4 parts. It's easy. Next, draw a horizontal line at 1/3 of the square. Finally, draw an oval in the lower half. Now, you're ready to write A. The first stroke starts a little below the green line, crosses the center line, and goes slightly upwards. The second stroke is written from top to bottom. It's slightly to the left of the center line. When you write a second stroke, it looks like a person being pushed by a strong wind. The third stroke starts a little above the center line. It's near the end of the first stroke. Write it diagonally downwards like splitting the circle in half. When you reach the bottom, imagine drawing a circle along the oval. But do not close the middle line. The first and second strokes end with a stop, but the third stroke ends with a sweep. You can see the end of the third stroke gradually becomes thinner. Congratulations! You can write A. When you write one A using 4 lines in your notebook, the right side is empty, right? How many strokes does A have? It has 3 strokes. So please make 3 more squares on the right side in the same way. Divide the squares into 4 parts and draw guidelines like this. Let's write the stroke order in each square. It's easier to understand if you change the color for each stroke like this. Now, you are professional at writing A, but drawing lines every time is painful, isn't it? In Japan, we can buy notebooks with lines dividing squares into 4 parts. All Japanese kids use these notebooks. They're not expensive, so I'll leave a link for people who want some. Of course, once you get used to writing, you won't need the lines. Let's practice Hiragana a lot. See you next time.